it goes. Hopefully I can get some videos out at least twice a week, but I don't want to make any promises. But for my first video, I want to show you guys how I got this voluptuous, soft, plump, shiny, coily flexi rod set using the Lottabody foaming mousse. Y'all, I don't know, I've been sleep, okay, like completely sleep. I don't know why I've been using like other foaming mousses. Like, it made me not even want to try this, because all the other times I try to use setting lotion to do any type of roller set or rod set, it just always comes out so crunchy, so much residue, where it's like I just don't even do it at all. Like, I have been strictly a twist out, flat twist out, natural, and now that I have found this, y'all gonna be seeing a whole lot more curl and bounce from me. So if you want to see how I achieved this flexi rod set, then please keep watching. First of all, let me apologize for all this background noise in this intro. I am so tacky. Bear with me while I get used to talking to y'all, okay? So right here, I'm separating my hair into two sections because I'm getting ready to get in the shower and wash it, and it's just easy to manage that. I'm gonna also go ahead and give you the rundown on my products because they're gonna come up real fast here in a minute. So I did use the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk sulfate-free shampoo, as well as their ultra-nourishing hair mask. And this almond milk collection is for daily damage and repair. Right here, my hair is nice and clean. I'm gonna keep a water bottle next to me just in case I have sections that get dry in the process. I got some clips to hold those sections out of the way, my wide tooth comb, my As I Am leave-in conditioner, my Denman brush, and of course the Lottabody foaming mousse. Oh, and my flexi rods. I'm using the purple and the orange ones. So right here with my freshly washed hair, I'm going to apply the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And I'm trying to make sure that I touch every strand, especially the middle, because the middle the middle seems to get left out. So now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections before I begin installing my rods. I'm also going to run this comb through each section just to make sure that that leave-in that I just put on is evenly distributed. Now we're ready to install our flexi rods. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a small section of this larger section and pin the rest of the hair out of the way. Then I'm going to take about 2 pumps of the Lottabody and smooth it over the smaller section. Now I'm going to take my Denman brush and run it through just to make sure that the hair is nice and smooth before I twist it around the rod. You'll notice on this first try, I'm getting a little bit confused about which direction I want the hair to go in. I probably should have started in the front, but here we are. Yeah, this one is just a little struggly. I make sure that the ends of my hair lay across the rods very smooth. And now I'm just going to bend each end of the rod to secure it in place. Now for this part, I'm just gonna go through pretty fast, but you'll see if you watch closely here, I get my rhythm and it starts to go a little faster. We finally made our way around to the front. In this section, y'all will see how my wrist is rotating when I'm coiling the hair around the rod. That gave me more of like a corkscrew type of curl. Hold on, you'll see here in a minute. See how once I get situated, I kind of rotate my wrist as I wrap the hair around the rod and then I smooth the end. That gave me a very, very coiled finish. So try doing that. It's kind of hard to get your rhythm in the beginning, but after 1 or 2 rollers, you'll get it. Again, my wrist is rotating as I coil the hair around the rod and then I'm smoothing the end. I'm tired, y'all. So now I'm gonna take this Tresemme heat protectant and spray that all over my hair because I'm gonna sit under my bonnet dryer for about an hour. Sorry, it got a little blurry right there. That's my bonnet dryer. I got it off of Amazon. My mom got it for me as a Christmas present. It's so convenient. It's so easy to travel with. So the hose actually hooks onto any handheld dryer. It's like elastic on the end, so any handheld dryer that you have that's that shape, it'll fit. So that's an hour. Now I'm gonna put my bonnet on and go to bed. So it's the next morning, y'all. I went ahead, as you can see, and uncurled one of the curls in the front because I just wanted a sneak peek to make sure my hair was nice and dry and the shape of the curls were what I wanted them to be. So far, so good. Notice again how my wrist is rotating and I'm just uncoiling the flexi rods in the opposite direction. I'm pleased. I'm using the Cantu edge control gel. It's just a Cantu brand edge control. I like this edge control. I actually bought it from Walmart because I usually use the Cream of Nature edge control. Like, I swear by it. And the Cantu was all that Walmart had. So I bought it because at the time I was desperate and I stuck with it. It works really good. Now I'm going to use some argan oil. And I'm just gonna take a couple drops of that and rub it all over my hands. I'm trying to prevent friction while I'm unraveling my curls. Tell me in the comment section what y'all think about the beat. I actually did a video on this too, and I'm trying to get that edited out to you guys as soon as possible. Yes, honey, shake them curls. I'm in disbelief. Look how bouncy they are. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more hair tutorials, make sure and hit the like button. That's the thumbs up button right underneath the window. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.